In this video, I'm going to show you how to make welcome post in Skool. So in here, after successfully accessing the community that you would like to add welcome post to, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on this section in here, write something. So let's say that for this community, we haven't had posted anything yet since this is a new community. So we click on write something in here. Then since we're talking about welcome post, this will then display a form or pop-up display wherein you input the message of the post that you're going to create. Let's say, welcome to the community. And you input in here your description of the post. Then after providing all the context in here, you can also add some attachments or links or videos or also poll. You can also add some emoji or GIF and other categories in here. By doing this, you can make your workout community post more interactive to the members that you have inside your Skool community. After that, you simply click post. And now you have successfully created a welcome post onto your Skool community in Skool. And that's about it. That's how to make welcome post in Skool. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.